Hi again, everyone. After Brainrot Part 1 and Brainrot Part 2, we're back with Brainrot Part 3. This time we'll be working with just 3 characters. Because the Girafa Celestre is quite a tricky build, but I think you'll like it. As always, don't skip the video. Each character build will be followed by a short stop motion that might make your day. So, let's get started. Swimming at the number 3 is Trippi Troppi. Trippi Troppi's origins are shrouded in absurdity, much like the rest of the Italian Brainrot characters. Oh hey, before we continue, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like and thank you if you have. Let me know in the comment if you have any suggestion or ideas on what I should build next. Back to the story. The name itself doesn't have a direct meaning. It's more about rhythm and sound, fitting the chaotic yet strangely captivating nature of the character. In early iterations, Trippi Troppi was described as a store owner before being sold to another character in the lore. Over time, his role evolved into something more unpredictable, with hints of wild, rebellious behavior, though this is likely meant in a surreal, exaggerated way, rather than anything serious. While the fish bear form is the most recognizable, Trippi Troppi has appeared in several variations, including a shrimp cat hybrid and even a cactus hippo fusion. His famous phrase, Trippi Troppi, troppa trippa, tre topi trotterellano, tra tromboni tritati, loosely translates to chaotic imagery involving mice, trombones, and excess. Some interpret it as a metaphor for disorder, greed, and confusion. Trippi Troppi became a viral sensation on TikTok, with users debating which version is the real one. While the fish bear form is considered the original, the shrimp cat version gained popularity in meme edits. His lore suggests that Trippi Troppi represents the idea that those who want too much end up with nothing, a critique of greed or ambition taken to extremes. Fresh at number 2 is Din Din Ma Din Dun. Din Din Ma Din Dun is a viral character from Indonesian Brainrot, known for its surreal and exaggerated design. Also known as Udin Din Din Dun Jeruk, he was originally a human. However, after repeatedly swallowing orange seeds, he mysteriously transformed into a muscular, anthropomorphic orange. With a leaf on his head, green eyes, and Air Jordans, he became an absurd yet instantly recognizable figure. Din Din Me Din Dun possesses immense physical strength, capable of lifting over 1,000 kilograms, curling motorcycles, and even cracking walls with a single punch. His signature phrase, Udin Din 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 Dun, Ma Din 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 Dun, became a viral TikTok sound, frequently remixed and used in humorous edits. To infinity and beyond at number 1 is Girafa Celestre. The name Girafa Celestre translates to celestial giraffe in Italian. Girafa means giraffe, and celeste refers to something heavenly or space-related. This cosmic aesthetic makes the character feel more like a dreamlike entity than just another meme. Girafa Celestre is an Italian brainrot character known for its surreal and whimsical design. It's a giraffe watermelon hybrid, wearing an astronaut helmet and chunky brown boots. The character embodies the chaotic, yet oddly poetic nature of brainrot culture, blending space themes with farm fruit absurdity. Girafa Celestre is said to live on the moon, surrounded by the vast night sky. In brainrot lore, it shares its celestial home with La Vaca Saturno-Saturnita, a cow planet hybrid with Saturn rings. While the two don't interact much, they're often depicted together in space-themed settings. The earliest known TikTok featuring Girafa Celestre was posted in February 2025 by the creator Ofusca Braino. Unlike most brainrot characters, Girafa Celestre has a strong space motif, making it stand out from the usual chaotic, land-based creatures. And there you have it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and give it a like. Until next time, stay awesome and keep on bricking.